Hello guys, today I've got this Nothing Headphone A model and I'm going to show you why won't your headphones charge. The main reason is actually mainly the cable, most commonly the cable or charger. So as you can see here, I've got the cable and we can plug this cable here, and as you can see, mine is charging, but you need to try to replace the cable, you need to try to replace the power charger, yes, or a power brick as someone calls it. You need to try different combinations. Apart from that, if nothing helps, try to switch the outlets. Maybe the outlet is blocking it, I don't know. Apart from that, here, check this port. Here we've got, as you can see, port. So, get a flashlight and flash inside. As you can see, I don't have any dirt inside, any debris. If you do, you need to clean it with non-metallic tool, and everything should be fine. If nothing still works, you need to perform a factory reset. How to do so? Turn on your headphones, and after they are turned on, you need to hold this button over here, this Bluetooth button, for 10 seconds. After that, if still nothing works, you need to contact device support to have it fixed. Goodbye.